sunshines. Let me close my message. So, Jackson gets to pick his show. I just took a test, and we're gonna look at it together. I didn't tape it live. We're gonna look at it. So we're gonna wait, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna look at it together. And I am 17 DPO. So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna turn this over and let's see. I'm so nervous. I'm 4 days late. Well, let's see what we see. You see that line? See the line? It's there. Oh my gosh. It's a very, 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 very faint line in there, guys. Oh my gosh, it's there. It's there. I don't know why. I don't know why this baby is being so shy, I guess.